Good morning and welcome to the Decision Support weather briefing for today's winter storm. Blizzard warnings, shown in red, and winter storm warnings, shown in the pink, are in effect through Wednesday morning. At 10 a.m., we expect heavy snow to spread into southern Minnesota. The heavy snow will expand and lift northward into central and western Minnesota by noon, including the Twin Cities and Eau Claire area. By 12 a.m., the light snow will come to an end, but the winds will continue, blowing and drifting will continue, and travel will still be dangerous. Thank you and be safe.
In Minnesota, a state used to bitter cold, they were getting their share of the blowing, piling, drifting snow too. In Minneapolis, it was time to fight the elements as the major storm dumped massive accumulations.
Then the shock when you flip it on me. So hollow, so vicious, so afraid I couldn't let myself see that I could never be held back or up, no, I hold myself. Check the rep, yep, you know my well. Forget the rest, let them know my hell. There and back, yet my soul ain't sell. Kept respect up, the best they fell. Let the rest be the tale they tell that I was there saying. And these promises broken deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last try, I can see through. This time I finally let you go, go. Test my will, test my
Traffic kept rolling for a while, but it was rough going for drivers in the metro, while others did their best to fight the elements on foot. And some residents were already on the big job of snow removal.
so you can let